Tech2000.
It's like barely a sticker left on the top.
Barely anything remains of it.
Copeland recip in it.
It has been running, I think.
Has it been?
There's water dripping. It is a 1990 5-ton. Single phase. Central cooling unit.
This is a straight cool unit.
I think it's been running.
Yeah, I don't.
Well, there's water.
Spider down in there.
Kind of compressor.
Copeland, I'm pretty sure.
5-ton.
I think
that's a Carlisle.
Is it?
I
don't think it's been running. The place is vacant right now, so.
Yeah, that's a Copeland.
I thought so. 38TG.
Yep.
Straight cool.
With a somewhat legible top.
There's your disconnect. It's obviously original with that condition.
Alright. That was a 1990 Carrier Tech2000 also. The HVAC shirt. You got the HVAC Ninja. Anyway, guess that'll be it.